Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Telling Queen I'm going on a guys trip for my birthday, Clarence NYC. Let's get into it. Woo, this is gonna be entertaining. All right, let's see what Queen gonna say. Look at her face. She's like, wait, like I had something planned already. Like, really?
Your boy. I forgot what show that was from. I think it was the Kenan and Kel shit. Noise! Have y'all seen that? The Kenan and Kel episode where there's like they like dancing and shit, and the nigga in the back like noise, noise, and then another nigga come and start saying the same shit, and he gets tight. Noise. Look at Legend back there. We about to take him to school. I have never, since living here, I've been.
Hey Legend, how you doing, sweetheart? Going to school, going like a big boy.
Damn, my camera about to die. Shit. Be right back. 1, 2, 3, noise! Noise!
Hi, Bob.
See, like this.
Hey. Hey.
Get that kiss.
Hey, Legend, he's getting so big. Oh my gosh, Legend. Oh my gosh, Pooh. He's so grown. Look at him, his little tracksuit. Ooh, he's just the cutest thing.
Get daddy kiss.
Hi.
Get daddy kiss.
Hi there.
There.
Can daddy get kissed?
Nope.
No? Okay, he just
No.
violated me.
Uh-uh.
Can I get a hug? Okay, give me a hug.
Here, Legend.
I haven't been on here in a minute. It's been a minute, but I want to get back to it. I've been really lazy when it comes to like editing, so I've been relying on the editor. But you want to get in the car? I'll open the car for you right now. I've been relying on the editor too much. You know what I'm saying? So this video right here, I'm probably gonna edit myself, just so I can upload when I want. Like, you know what I'm saying? When I have the editor, it's kind of hard because you gotta wait till he's done, you know, and you can't upload same day or upload when you want. So I'm about to get back to editing myself on this channel. Hope you guys like it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I could be more consistent with y'all. If y'all haven't already checked out the Clarence NYC live channel, that is my new reaction channel. I stream.
Yeah, we like that one too.
Almost every day, so if y'all haven't, go check out the stream and the whole stream. If you missed the stream, the whole stream or pieces of the stream get posted on Clarence NYC Live. So make sure y'all tune in, make sure y'all follow, go show some love. I appreciate and love y'all. You heard.
We appreciate and love y'all too, Petty Fam. And we appreciate and love Claire and Queen. So thanks for uploading, Claire. Oh, and happy birthday coming up, man.
Me and Queen made it to Costco, and Queen wants to get a leaf blower.
I think that we should, because by our last vlog, y'all can tell that, you know, when Clarence was playing on the trampoline, y'all seen all them leaves? We shouldn't have all them leaves.
You think that's a good reason to get a leaf blower though?
Yeah. Are we gonna keep the trampoline?
How much is the leaf blower?
$200 some.
It's almost a $300 leaf blower.
Okay, he just got a fan that was $500.
This is for everybody though.
No, it's not. That's for your room.
That helps the air
No.
too. It's
And your room downstairs. That's not helping us.
I might put the one we got upstairs in my room and put this one in our room.
No. Still though, you couldn't do that if you ain't buy this $500 fan.
A fan versus a leaf blower. What's more important?
A leaf blower. Because if you're out there and you're jumping around, you don't need to be scraping your back on no leaves.
Do you go out there and jump on them? The
I
kids
would.
love the leaves.
No, I would if
The kids love the leaves.
there wasn't leaves out there. I would go more often.
They love it.
I think we good. I think we even.
We're currently putting the Christmas tree up. It's in the living room
Oh,
here.
the Christmas tree looks great.
And we're also vlogging. Say what up to the vlog. It looks good here.
It does.
Right there, yeah. It's more cozy, right?
You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
last year, our Christmas tree was over here. where that little one is. So like no one is ever here. So you only seen it when you came in through the front, which Queen wanted. What'd you say?
Nothing.
You said I'm trying to get it out of putting balls on the tree?
So if you knew what I said, then why you ask me what I said?
Because I had to make sure that's what you said.
Yes. That's exactly what I said.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna set up my camera next to her camera and we're gonna...
You can't take footage. No.
You see that was a test right there.
Yeah, no, you can't do your own footage.
She said get your own footage.
Get your own
Alright,
footage.
so you gonna copyright me?
Yes.
Hey, I'm gonna come back to y'all because you know what I'm saying?
You gotta put what you about to say?
Huh?
You gotta put the
No, I wasn't gonna say that. I always wondered, like, since it's so short, how the fuck, how is it gonna reach me if, like, I'm sitting in a chair or something and I'm, like, a little taller? But, like, look at this thing. You just scoot it up and just aim it directly to you. But where's the remote, though? Why you got the heat on?
Hey, 'cause it was freezing.
I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, eat a little better. So, this is what I'm eating. Remember we used to eat turkey bacon? Like,
Yeah. Yeah. When we had to go to the gym?
Yeah, when we was going to the gym, it was like, what, 4? We was allowed to have like 4 strips, right? 4 strips in the morning.
I had to have like 5 strips. Like, remember you had to eat like
Shit do be
80
busting.
grapes? 60
Mad grapes, right?
You got mad grapes here too.
I probably have some grapes. Usually what I would do would be I would order something right now, but I gotta stop doing that. You know what I'm saying? I done lost some weight, so I don't wanna keep going back. Yeah, we ended up falling asleep yesterday, but right now we just woke up early as hell. Just dropped off Legend at school, so I'm about to go. I think she's in her room right now. I'm about to go in her room and start it for y'all right now. I'm about to be like, yo, I think, you know, my birthday's coming up. We've been talking about it. Am I going to Miami or something like, you know, Las Vegas, but with the guys. And just see what she said. This is just jokes. This is, you know what I'm saying, Queen's my best friend. We never, I wouldn't go with anybody else. You know, we don't.
Oh, that's so sweet. See, that's why y'all are our favorite YouTube couple. He love to do a prank on her though.
Want to spend my birthday with anybody else. You know what I'm saying? So, let's do it. What you doing? That's a big onesie.
Yeah, I wonder why.
What you mean?
It's big because I'm in it.
No, it's big on you.
Really?
But you remember when we was talking about like my birthday and shit and what I want to do and shit? I was thinking about going to like Miami or Vegas.
Mm-hmm. What day?
But like just the guys though.
Just the guys?
Yeah.
Like who?
You know, the guys.
What guys? What guys?
The guys.
What guys? Who you
Like a guy trip. Babe, I don't know specifically. I gotta find some guys. Pause.
What are y'all doing guys trips?
I don't know. Like, I've never been on one, so. But I think it'll be fun.
For your birthday?
What you think? Yeah, how you feel about that?
I mean, we usually celebrate your birthday together. But, I mean, want to go on a guy's trip? I'm not going to try.
She feel hurt. You hurt her feelings. Look at her. She had to go sit down and start brushing her hair.
Stop me from going on a guy's trip on your birthday. I thought, I mean, why didn't you do that any other time? I mean, if you want to do that, then go ahead. I don't know. At first you said you wanted to do something with me. But it's fine. I I understand. It's your last year being 29. I mean 20.
Whoa. It's my last year with a number 2 in the front.
So what that mean?
I'm trying to go out with a bang.
What's that mean? So boys trip, bang, Miami.
No, bang and the boys trip goes together. It's bang, going out with a bang at the boys trip.
Okay. What is that? What's the bang? What do boys do on a boys trip? I never really.
I guess we figure it out like when we get out there.
So you go to Miami.
But it's not finalized there. I'm gonna see what's up.
So then, while you on a boys trip, I'm going on a girls trip.
On my birthday?
Yeah. Since we're not celebrating together.
Right. What she supposed to do? Sit at home with the kids? I mean, she's supposed to have fun too, right?
That doesn't make any sense.
It does.
It does.
If you're going on a boys trip on your birthday and I thought I was gonna celebrate it with you, then I'm gonna go on a girls trip.
Does that make?
Because she hurt. You hurt her feelings, Claire. You and these pranks. I mean, was she supposed to cry? Like, nope. She's just gonna get back at you.
Sense?
Yes, it do. Because while you gone, then I can go have my time off and I can go out with a baby for your birthday, and I can celebrate it.
Are you?
It didn't happen like he thought, huh? See, your best friend who pulled a fast one on you. She said what's good for the goose is good for the gander. Look at his face. He's like, how do I flip this back the way I went to go? And she's not gonna stop talking about it. So you got that part too.
What?
What are you talking about? Who goes on a trip on someone's birthday?
Do you want me to just stay home?
Yeah.
While you go on a boys trip?
Yeah.
If you go
And then when I come home, then we can celebrate my birthday.
No.
Why not?
I want to have fun while you have fun too.
I mean, it's not finalized, but we'll talk about it.
Why you got the
I'm vlogging.
camera on me?
I'm vlogging everything.
What do you guys think? If he goes on a boys trip for his birthday, which we usually celebrate together, and he don't want to celebrate it with me, don't you think that I then have the right to go on a girls trip?
Girls trip is wild. First of all,
That is not wild.
First of all, this is all a joke. I was just playing. I'm not going on no
That's not
guys
wild.
trip. I'm not gonna go on a guys trip for my birthday. But you're definitely not going.
He's so mad. How you get mad from your own prank now? Claire, she got you. She got you, bruh.
Imagine me going on a trip on your birthday.
If I went on a girls trip, I wouldn't feel bad if you went on a guys trip for my birthday.
On your birthday?
If I wanted to celebrate it without you, then you have the right to go have a boys trip.
That's beast. I mean, you could like
Yeah, and then
kind
I
of be
could, like,
ready when I get back, and we can celebrate when I get back. Wouldn't you want that if you want to? Wow. You see people's true colors.
No, I was joking too.
Yeah, right.
I was joking too.
Yeah, right. Look, now she wants to say she was joking.
I was joking too, just to see what you was gonna say. Yes, I was joking. Y'all know I was
she
joking. Y'all know I'm here all the time. You wait.
Well, I knew that was gonna be. I don't know. I'm gonna sit down today and
I'm going on a group trip, a girls and boys trip.
I'm gonna sit down today. I don't mind, but I just hate relying on other people. But today I'm gonna sit down and try to find something to do for my birthday. Go somewhere or do something.
Yeah.
December 8th is getting real close, so I'm about to get on it. Today I'm gonna find something to do for my birthday, and hopefully my birthday will be lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be 29, gang. I'm old as hell, bro. Nah, I'm not even old. Like, on paper, when you see, 29-year-old, niggas like, damn. You know what I mean? Like, that's, wow. Clarence, 29. I met that kid. I was introduced to that kid when he was 23 or some shit like that. If y'all got any birthday ideas that I can do, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all comment down below, please. You know what I'm saying? And I miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be coming back. I'm going to probably edit this video myself. I probably edited this video by myself, so make sure you comment how you think the edit is, because I'm thinking I'm about to start doing this so I can get these videos out like this for y'all. I could probably get this out same day. But I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I see y'all next video, gang.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Happy birthday, Claire.